Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Marquette, Florida, and today we have another first. Now, as you know, I love doing tonneau cover videos, and of course, the manufacturer does ones on the F-150s and Chevys, but they don't like to do ones on the Nissan Titans and other good trucks. Well, today we have a Bak Flip MX4 on a Titan. That's right, this brand new Titan. So come over here, just take a look at this. By the way, I just love this Titan. I think it's a great looking truck. It's a beautiful color. I like the blue. Before I get into the operation of this cover, I want you to see how nice this cover complements this truck. This is the premium, by the way. This is a platinum edition of the Titan. So this is the top of the line. And this guy didn't want no inexpensive wimpy cover. He wanted a really nice cover. And what I like about the Bak Flip MX4 is the first thing you notice is how beautifully flush it is with the truck. This looks like this truck came from the factory with the cover. It matches this truck nice. I just think it's a great looking truck. And this truck has some features on it which are a little different than some of the other Titan videos I've done. So let's take a look here. Now, as you know, with the Bak Flip, you're always going to get a left and right release mechanism here. And that's really important because if you're standing on the passenger side, you're standing on the driver's side, you should be able to open your cover. I know some of the other covers just do the driver's side, and I like having both. It's not a big deal, but to me it is. And you have a little cushion here for your thumb. Now, if you look over here, this does have the triple seal instead of a single seal. Some of the cheaper models there have a single seal. Why is a triple seal better? It keeps more water out. It's a simple fact. It has a better fit here. Now, again, another nice feature on this, and if you look over here, the Bak Flip does come with a drainage system. Now, it has a wonderful seal on the cover, but it also, if anywhere was to get past the seal on the side here, it goes into the drainage system and drains outside the vehicle. Again, it's going to help with the water. So you got the triple seal here, nice seal here, drainage system. All of that helps with keeping the water out. Now, the first question every customer says to me when they walk in my store, hey, where's the waterproof covers? And no one makes a waterproof cover. They're all water resistant covers. That being said, some manufacturers, like this one here, is better at water than others. So by having the triple seal here, the seal here, and the water drainage system, that all helps with keeping the water out of the bed. So that's a really nice feature. Now I'm going to show you another feature that is nice about this. Let me go ahead and open this up one more time for you so you get a better look. Now, this Titan has a cargo management system from the factory, which is bolted into the rail here. Now, as you can see, the cover does go in that. I like that. Why do I like that? Well, instead of just having some clamps holding in place, which, you know, over time could get a little loose and maybe come off, this is not coming off. This is super, super strong. That means this is going to handle a lot more weight. Now, by the way, speaking of weight, this cover holds 400 pounds. That's right, 400 pounds. That's a lot of weight. That's Uncle Louie. So it'll handle it. Now, when I say 400 pounds, I do mean evenly distributed, not someone jumping up and down in the middle, so keep that in mind. Another really nice feature about this Nissan Titan, let me go ahead and open this all the way up here. As you can see, this does have the third fold. Now, as you know, we do 2-fold covers, we do 3-fold covers. I do like the 3-fold. The simple fact is you can put big stuff in here. If you have a Harley Davidson, you got an all-terrain vehicle, you're just moving a couch and you need that extra space, you got it. Now, it's another nice feature about the Bak Flip. If you notice, it does not cover your third brake light. Now, a lot of these third brake lights are coming out with the cameras in it, the 360 cameras and stuff, and it's a nice feature that have that not covered up. Now, when these are up, means you're putting something in the back. Now, this does another thing. Besides giving you space in the back, this will work as a headache rack. What the heck is a headache rack? That is something that protects your rear window. You see a lot of these commercial vehicles with a little thing here protecting the window. So if you have something in the back, you're driving along, someone cuts you off, you slam on your brakes, and that thing just slides forward. Instead of smashing into your very expensive rear window, this will protect the rear window. And this is a lot cheaper to repair than your rear window. Plus, if you have someone in the back seat, you got your family members back there, you don't want anything to go through the glass and, you know, hurt them. So this is going to do a great job with that. Now, again, this is the platinum Nissan Titan. Looking here, what do we see? Well, we got storage in the bed here. And of course, a lot of people, like, including myself, will this cover work with this? And be honest with you, if you notice, I've not done a video with this because we have actually not gotten one of these together. This is the first, which I love doing first. Now, the big question is, will it still open? Let's take a look. I don't know. Let's open this thing up if I can Get the little water seal here. And this one, there we go. Yes, it works. So by getting this cover, you're not losing that very expensive accessory for your bed. You want to be able to still get in here and get in there, put your stuff in there, and to be able to open and close it. Not a problem here. Now it does have a lock here, but again, you don't need a lock it because you can secure the cover. So a real great setup. Everything looks good. If you notice, the texture finish does match the truck. Now, when these are not in use, always slide them up. And then if you look over here, you got a little clip, locks in here. You close it, you know, close it normal. These also work as a handle. So you bring it around here. When you hear the lock-in mechanism, then you know it's secured. Now, when you go to close it back here, try to get in the habit of pushing down in the middle. Sometimes if you push in the left or right, it moves it over, and then you have to push it back. So keep that in mind. Now, this does let you open and close the tailgate while the cover is closed. Now, as you know, at C&H, we do like to tell you the pros and cons. And we're in the negatives here. It's not a big one, but I want to mention it in the video. This is a handle which goes in here, which helps you get in and out. We did have to remove it in order to put the cover on, so keep that in mind. Be honest with you, most people never use those things, but I just want to make sure you know about that. By the way, if you see this and you say, you know what, I really like what C&H is doing, hit the like button. It costs you nothing to hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. We're constantly putting new stuff out every single day. As long as my voice is there, which is not so much today, but I'm doing my best, we're going to do videos. So, and you want to stay on top of it. Some places do one video a year, one every 6 months. We try to get 5 a week, you know, maybe more. So stay up to date, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you happen to own this truck and you say, you know what, Chris, I love it. I think it's great. I want this. This is what I want. So this is the way to go. So give us a call at the store. Ask for Davis behind the camera. Ask for me, Chris, John, or Buddy. We all can help you. So no matter what, we'll take good care of you. And we'll make sure we get the right cover for your truck. And again, if you have us install it, you're going to get that 1-year labor guarantee from C&H. And there is a promotion going on because this right now has a 5-year, that's right, 5-year manufacturer warranty. But listen to this. This customer today, we're doubling the warranty to 10 years. Why? Well, it's not us, to be honest with you. It's Truck here who owns Bak Industries. They have a promotion. It's probably going to end in about a week. But if you have it professionally installed, and we are an authorized dealer, by the way, they will double the warranty on this from 5 to 10. So if you want to take advantage of that, make sure you buy your stuff now and do not wait, because you're going to call me in a couple of months and you say, I want that double the warranty. And I'm going to say, I'm sorry, that has expired. So make sure you don't wait. We still got another week before the end of the year, and make sure you get your cover now. Get that extra warranty. 5 additional years, 8 years from now, he's having a problem. He's still under warranty. Is that great or what? So again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Bak Flip MX4 on a Nissan Titan Platinum. That's right, one of the sweet ones. Thanks.